Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix forms. Today, we're going to learn how to enable spam filter on your Wix forms. This is for those who added template forms and haven't worked on their forms on the Form Settings tab. So, here's how you can do it. On the Wix editor, go to your form and click on it. Then click on Edit Form. On this window, go to the Settings tab and scroll down to the Spam Filter section. Click on this drop down over here. You'll see three options. The first one is only reCAPTCHA. This only analyzes the site visitor's behavior and determine whether they're a human or a bot. If it suspects a visitor to be a bot, a challenge will be shown. This is the lowest level of spam protection in Wix. Next, we have the basic and reCAPTCHA. After the site visitors pass an invisible reCAPTCHA, submissions enter a basic spam filter, where a spam is labeled based on certain criteria such as network identifiers and contact information. And finally, we have advanced and reCAPTCHA. This includes reCAPTCHA and the basic filter, also with an advanced filter using additional technologies to mark spam. This advanced option is only applied if the other two options above do not mark the submission as spam. So feel free to select an option, and once you're done, go ahead and click on Save over here. You can close this window now, and on the editor, click on Save too, so that your changes will be saved. And if your site's previously been published, click on Publish again in order to publish the changes you've made to your live site as well. And that's it for today, guys. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.